And
good morning, guys. So today we are going to be decorating for Christmas. Right now it is like 8 a.m. Today is actually Black Friday. We are gonna go get our tree. We're not gonna put the lights and ornaments on till Sunday. And these are the kittens. And this is gonna be their first Christmas. They were born in June. They were summer babies. How do you feel about your first Christmas, Coco? This is our storage room in the basement. There is so much stuff down here. And there's also a ton of Christmas boxes, and they're heavy. And we have to get them. Ah! Breaking things.
is this a box?
Yes. Christmas outdoor lights.
Yeah, outdoor. Yeah, we need everything. We're supposed to get every box. Yeah. No, and this one has the Christmas tree skirt.
This one's light. You should do this one. It's Grandpa!
Grandpa got run over by a reindeer.
Uh-oh. I broke it! We're gonna watch Ellie pick up a bin. Yeah!
Wait, is this even a Christmas bin?
It's an Easter bin.
I have found something. I found Rachel's prized possession. It's got all the snowflakes. This isn't really going how I planned. Don't tell her I'm scattering your snowflakes everywhere.
I'm back. Here are the snowflakes. We're gonna be hanging these up later tonight. These were all made by Caroline and I. Now we're gonna go and look in all the boxes and try and sort everything out. I don't know if this is all of them. This is what Ellie and I got with a little bit of help from David, but basically we did all the work here because we're like super strong. Hashtag fit and lit. We're here at the tree farm. It is cold. This might be the fastest we've ever gotten a tree. It usually takes us a super long time, but we really like this one. We are back home now, and I'm having some lunch, just some leftovers from yesterday's dinner. And I'm doing Clara hair. We basically just have like a little photo shoot for the Clinton Nutcracker today. Back home now, and I'm about to work on the mantle because I was gonna do this earlier, but then we had to leave to go get our Christmas tree. We have all of our stockings in here, which I'm about to hang up right above the fireplace. Also, Michelle crocheted Coco and Mocha their own stockings.
Santa hat on her. Coco, stop! Don't leave. This is little Monkey's first time wearing a Santa hat. Oh no! Oh no!
Mocha, do you like your stocking?
We're gonna have all your presents in there.
Okay, so I finished the mantle. I think it looks really good. Now it is 4:30 and Caroline and I have to start on our tradition that we do every year. We have to put up the snowflakes. They basically cover this entire ceiling. It's a difficult job. This usually takes like a couple hours. Hopefully we'll go a little faster this year. Guys, it's Michelle. Today I'm getting ready for my very first performance of Dewdrop with American Repertory Ballet, and I'm so excited. Dewdrop is my dream role, so I've been waiting for this day for a long time. My mom got me this sweatshirt and it's really cute. It says Grateful, Blessed, Christmas Obsessed, and that perfectly describes me because I'm Christmas obsessed.
I'm going to be leaving soon for the McCarter Theater. It's a really nice theater, so I'm so grateful that I get to perform Dewdrop there. I just made it to Princeton and I'm walking to the McCarter Theater right now. We have a warm-up class for an hour and 15 minutes, and then we'll have about an hour before the show starts. Ready. I did all my part for making the food, so I'm gonna get changed in my ugly Christmas sweater. It says not another ugly sweater.
We finished shows and I've got half my makeup on, so that's why I look weird.
Me too.
Everything is almost ready. I tried a couple things. Approve. No, you're done. What is it? Who's down there?
What is that smell? Oh, bruh!
I don't know. Oh wait, it's already broken.
What should we get now? It's a fragile bin. Perfect. I almost dropped that. Okay, bye. See you later, alligator.
Ho ho ho!
No, you're not taking it. No.
Bro, you need a Santa hat. Put on your Santa hat.
Never mind.
Nice to meet you. Ah!
Who would this be?
No,
I like this. I like
That was your first time.
Dave.
Or actually,
No.
Oh. The dinner's not ready yet and I'm really hungry.